To show you how to remove the speedometer cluster from Honda CR-V 2006, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this Phillips screwdriver and this blue dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to remove this cover from under the steering wheel. There is only one Phillips screw right there. Once you get that screw out, then you can just pull the panel out. And you do the same thing for the other side, you just pull it out too. It does not have any other screws, you just have to pull the panel forward, and once you get the panel forward, then you can remove the bezel around the cluster. It's just plastic bezel around the shifter and the cluster. And also make sure that your steering wheel column is all the way down, otherwise it won't come out. And then you can see the screws, the Phillips screw, which for mount two of them and one on the top holding the cluster itself. Once you get those three out, then you can remove the speedometer cluster forward. Just pull it forward. And if you need any repair for the speedometer cluster, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.